Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming both devices share the same Wi-Fi network and the TV is powered on. Once done, open the TV's Quick Settings or Settings General Network to enable Screen Mirroring or Smart View Receiver. This lets the TV accept connections. Now, on your phone or laptop, open Smart View, Cast, or Miracast and scan for devices. Select the Samsung TV name. You'll see a connecting prompt on both ends. Make sure to accept any pairing PIN or prompt. Once you select the TV, you'll often see a PIN or accept prompt on the television. Accept it so the device can pair securely. After pairing, decide whether to mirror the screen exactly or extend the display. Phones typically only mirror while Windows may offer extend. If playback stutters, change resolution or frame rate in the casting settings to match the TV's native resolution. Also confirm audio output routes to the TV. Use the TV's input label or name to identify the active connection when multiple devices exist. To finish, stop casting from your phone or computer or use the TV remote to end the session. This frees the receiver for other devices. If the TV won't appear, restart Wi-Fi, reboot both devices, then retry pairing. This fixes most network conflicts. If you still have trouble, check for firmware updates on the Samsung TV and the casting device, and try an alternate cast app or Miracast versus SmartView. Different protocols sometimes work when one fails. That single restart often resolves persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.